of class-time capability. This is same ratio of class-time capability. Here I have a question for you. Why do you observe July 11th as World Population Day every year? We observe World Population Day on July 11th every year to raise an awareness for people regarding overpopulation issues like human rights and overpopulation issues, unemployment and etc. Now I have a question for you. What is the estimated world population rate for 2025? As of 2025, the estimated world population rate is of 8.1 billion people. India has recently overtaken China and became the most populated country in the world. What are some effects of world population on environment and resources? Unemployment and educational leisure are some of the effects of world population. Now tell me, what do you do to control the world population? We have to promote education, especially for girls, raising awareness in communities, and encourage government policies like control population and responsibilities. Thank you.